Wake up at 10:40, did breakfast, then going for.
खत्म।
At the start, I have to tell you that I'm not supporting this innovation. I wanted to make a voiceover video, but I have no time for that, but I will try. My last YouTube was all about Islamic content with my voiceover. However, I will upload Islamic content from after complete this 30 vlogging challenge. Should I complete my challenge first or post Islamic content as well? We'll post a lots of references regarding this with my voiceover soon after done with this vlogging challenge. Allah gave us this brain to use it why you are here in this world to make this stupid society happy or to go back to your heaven. Allah not give hidayat everyone but those who ask Allah for it. Islam is a system that we have to develop in the entire world. It's not about Salah, fast, Zaiqat, or Hajj. Kids follows parents, parents follows society. Society follows West. West follows religion. Like I am cooked with this, blindly follows our previous generations, consider them as a next level human, wrote their own fabricated books. May Allah protect us and guide us from such jahalat. After of this, I came home to work and that's it.